let's talk about 2020.
My name is not Sven, it is Martin, yeah.
Alright, so we are in the middle of November and the Christmas month of December is closing in, and so is a new decade. 2020 is coming. It'll be my 6th decade. I know. What I want to do, because I've been struggling sort of with myself and you know what I want this channel to be and how I want this channel to progress in the next year to come, and I found myself being intrigued by the idea to make more stories, to make videos that showcase either Swedish culture, the perception of Swedish culture, how things work in Sweden, or me being out of my depth, which means out of Sweden, or even, I don't know, even within. So I'm looking to extend what it is I do, and this might mean that on this channel I will go down to 1 video per week, but really work on that video. Like really work on that video and be really proud of that video, because obviously sometimes you put up content that's like whoa, and sometimes you fill a gap, even though that video has a purpose for people. You know, my level of what I want to achieve is constantly rising, so that is sort of what I'm thinking of, and I have a lot of ideas for stuff that I want to do for next year. But I want to get your input, the people who actually watch this channel, and the reasons why you watch it. Is it to learn Swedish? Is it to see Swedish culture, Swedish things, or is it just me? So I really want to hear from you guys concerning this. You can leave a comment under this video. You can DM me on Instagram. Any way you can contact me. Just let me know what it is you want to see. And maybe projects that are bigger. As I'm doing this, I also want to be able to prepare myself. So it's not like, okay, first the video is up, next video is on Monday. What should I do? Because I want to be able to pre-produce so that I can really work on stuff. But yes, let me know your input on what you would like to see on this channel. It's not that I don't know, it's just that, you know, if I do something and you think I should do something and those things like what, then we have awesome times.